Good afternoon. I'm Cynthia. I'm here with Doug for Wall Street Media, and we'll help you make money in the stock market with information you will not find anywhere else.
And we have stuff from the SIG conference.
We have so much stuff today. We are so full. We got the SIG conference. We have Needham. We have Raymond James. We have fan mail. I mean, I don't know where to start. Do we start with Doug with the update? Do I go straight to the conferences?
It could be Doug with the fan mail.
All right.
You know, I've been getting a lot of requests for 8x10 glosses.
Pick one. Doug has so many he actually has to choose.
That's right.
So why don't you choose one for now, and then I'll do a conference, and then you can do another one, and then I'll do a conference, and then you can do another one.
We'll do the conference first.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. After every conference, you can do one.
I'm rather modest.
And we have. Oh, you know what else? We have video clips.
We do.
I mean, this show is just getting better and better.
It really is.
I mean, I don't even know. It's just jam-packed full. Couldn't give him anything else.
What do we have?
So let me get straight to it. So anyway, with the SIG, the SIG second annual significant, no pun intended, options in healthcare conference.
You were excellent at the emphasis on that.
Significant healthcare conference. Anyway, we got a video clip right away of Donald Kellerman, the Senior Vice President of Development for Inspire Pharmaceuticals, or ticker ISPH, talks about updates and upcoming milestones for their product Prolacria? Does that look good? All right, yeah. Prolacria for dry eye. Ooh, everybody gets that. And products in their glaucoma program. So here's the video.
I'll now move on to clinical development programs, and I'll start with the programs in the ophthalmology, particularly the ophthalmology pipeline program. Well, the first program, and one we've worked on for a number of years, is Prolacria, our internally discovered and developed P2Y2 agonist diquothosol. We've published many papers on the pharmacology of the product, its ability to stimulate the release of the components of the tear film, as well as the good tolerability and safety profile observed in clinical trials. This particular program tends to get a lot of attention, so most people know that we have received 2 approvable letters from the FDA, and we've been in discussions with the FDA about next steps to provide convincing data to them. Currently, we are looking at effects on the staining in the central region of the cornea. As you probably know, this is the part of the eye that you actually see through, your central cornea. We have worked with folks at Ophthalmic Research Associates, ORA, in Andover, Massachusetts for some time. And recently we announced a collaboration with them to work towards appropriate trial designs in dry eye. Over the years, we've not talked a lot about our Asian partner, Santen, I don't think, but we have enjoyed working with Santen over the years, and they are currently in phase 3 in Japan. They also have the rights to 9 other Asian countries. If they are successful in getting the product approved, we'll receive royalties. They are an excellent ophthalmology company, one of the leaders in Japan in ophthalmology. Moving on to our novel glaucoma program, we're certainly very proud of our glaucoma program. As you probably know, glaucoma is the leading cause of preventable blindness, and it's a large and growing market, nearly $2 billion in U.S. sales. We really like our novel approach of increasing outflow through the trabecular meshwork. Our molecule INS 115644, which is in phase 1 testing. It's a dose-ranging trial in patients with glaucoma, and we expect to have results sometime in 2008. In addition, we'll be filing an IND for another novel compound covered by our in-licensed technology patents sometime this year. Certainly this is a very exciting program for us, both scientific and commercial standpoints.
Awesome, good one. You know, he's got a lot of things I like in my biotech. When the whole time, you know, that was just less than 3 minutes, right? They're talking about, well, we're talking to the FDA about this, and we have an FDA approval for that, and we have an FDA letter here, and the FDA thinks that. I like that, right? It means like they're not too far out in the woods, you know, and I feel like, you know, here's a company that's engaged and has things happening. You know?
And we talk about that all the time whenever we're talking about these risky or rather not risky pharmaceutical companies. We're always talking about the approval, the steps, the phases. It's all very, very important.
I like when they're having this conversation, you know.
Right.
And he's got a lot of them. Watch the clip, and you can see the whole thing. That's at SIG 7.
Absolutely. So got another one for you.
All right.
Moving right along. Sorry, Doug, we don't have any time to spare today. We are chock full, busy bees.
I know. We have acupuncture and
we're
then
so
what?
busy. Douglas Michaels, President and CEO of OraSure Technologies, or OSUR, talked about their HIV OTC opportunities, saying they look to complete the necessary clinical trials for pre-market approval submission, which is required.
Now look, these guys, they're near their 50. Do I have time to say this? They're near
absolutely.
their 52-week low. You guys should have seen, man. She had us jumping around, and I thought, oh my God, it's got to be like Victoria's Secrets and this and somebody else and billboards in Paris, and it's like I have acupuncture and.
Oh no, I have some exciting stuff this evening.
To the natural therapist.
Well, I have a premiere tonight.
What
I have a premiere tonight.
For what?
For Rachel McAdams' new movie, We're Married or Living Married or something. Live Married, that premiere is tonight, and then there's a bunch of parties after that, which I'm probably not going to attend because I'm actually on a master cleanse.
Yeah?
Which is a juice fast.
Me
if
too.
You guys are familiar with it.
Me too.
7, 8 in 3 days.
I've been on it. Me neither. Like 6 weeks.
Yeah.
Break down with you, yeah.
Anyway, going into the Needham 13th annual...
No, you know what?
Oh, you want to talk about something?
I wanted to talk about OraSure, and I wanted to talk about the SIG one. And then we'll wrap up. We'll come back, and we've got video from Needham.
Oh, you're fine. Why don't you do one of your fan mails then?
I get too many of them. I can't sort through them all. But Jim the Weisenheimer. Say hi to Jim the Weisenheimer.
Jim the Weisenheimer.
He's a good fan, a good guy. He's going to come in. We're going
from Wisconsin?
No, from New Jersey.
From New Jersey.
He's going to come in. We're going to have steak and beer.
Oh. What day is this?
I don't know.
I can't eat until March 17th.
Really?
I'm on a juice fast till March 13th, and then I have to do 4 days of off.
Me too.
I actually made this really amazing steakhouse in New York, and I made a reservation for March 17th.
Where?
It's one that I haven't tried. I love Delmonico's. This one is they do. Oh God, tell me a steakhouse.
Do you know my new favorite?
What?
My new favorite that I love.
Tell me.
Is Prime House.
No, not it.
You should see.
Barclay Prime in Philadelphia is amazing. I have to get you this name. I'll get it back for you. Darn it. No, this one's in New York tonight. On the 17th.
On the 17th?
I called her. I felt so short. I've never made a reservation that far in my life. I usually make reservations like a half an hour before, maybe like the day before. But I was like, I needed that reservation for March 17th.
I go to Nebraska downtown. That's one of my favorites.
I didn't even know what day it was.
And I go to the
March
Argentinian 17th. One. Have you ever been to that up there?
Churrascaria Plataforma?
Yeah, I love that.
That's actually Brazilian, but yeah, good try. Anyway, so we are here. We are here every day at Wall Street Media. You can find us under the Money tab.
We'll wait till the 17th.
Why do you always cut me off when I'm in my ending line?
I'm not as fast as you. I struggle to keep up, and these things pop into me later after you've moved on.
You have the acupuncture and the rolfing and the chiropractor and the everything else that I have, and the yoga and the Pilates. Believe me, you'll be full of this as well. Anyway, we're here every day at Wall Street Media under the Money tab of the MSN video player or directly at WSNCO.com. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back in a moment.